So here it is, Merry Christmas. Look to the future now, it's only just begun. Hi, welcome along. In today's video we're going way back to 1973, absolute classic by Slade. This is Merry Christmas, everybody. And in this video I'll be showing you absolutely everything you need to get this song learned all the way through, from the strum pattern, all the chords, and the verse, chorus and the bridge. There's a couple of little strum patterns that change in this song, so make sure you stick around right the way to the end. If you like today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right then, so here we go. Merry Christmas, everybody. So what we're going to do is first go through the chords. Quite a few chords, let me count. 3, 6, 7, 8 chords in this one. So we've got G major, I'm sure you do. I'll hold up to the camera. I'm sure you know this one. Now I do my G's like this because it's easier. It's a far better way of doing a G. You can switch from that G to an E minor, or from that G down to a C. It's a great G to do. But I appreciate, for beginners, you may find the traditional way of doing G like this a whole lot easier. So feel free to do your G. Okay, so let's go through that. My way is second finger, 2nd fret, A string, and 3rd fret on the 6th string with my 3rd finger, and then I'm going to go right down to the 1st string, 3rd fret with my little finger. Okay, so that's going to be my G. If you want to do your G, switch round, 1st finger, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. Right, so that's G major. Next, nice and easy, probably the easiest chord in the whole book. This is E minor. Again, I do mine with my 2 middle fingers. That makes it, if I ever needed to go to an E, I've got my 1st finger available. But if you want to do your E minor with the first 2 fingers, feel free. So that is 2nd fret of the A string with our 2nd finger, and the 2nd fret of the D string with our 3rd finger. Again, same places, but with different fingers, first 2 fingers, if you want to do it like that. Up to the screen, there we go. And then we're going to move on to a B minor chord. Now, the B minor is 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. Then we're going to move along to the 3rd fret of the B string with our 2nd finger. Then we're going to jump right the way up to the 4th fret, and we're going to put our 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And then just under it, on the 4th fret of the G string, we're going to have our little finger. Now, we only play 4 strings for this one. Yeah, for those that are up on bar chords, feel free to slap a nice bar across all 6 strings. That way you get all 6. But to appeal to the beginners as well, yeah, feel free. That's a nice open B minor. Now, D major. So what we're going to do for the D, we're going to be 1st finger, 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the E string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B string. There's your D, up to the camera. There we go. I'm going to put, I've probably got diagrams on the screen as we speak, just to so you can all follow along. Right, C chord. 1st fret on the B string with our 1st finger. Then we're going to jump up to the D string, 2nd fret with our 2nd finger. 3rd finger is going to be there on the 3rd fret of the A string. There's our C. A minor, literally brilliant. This is A minor. All you need to do is take your 3rd finger off and tuck it underneath your 2nd finger. So now we've got 1st finger, 1st fret on the B, 2nd finger, 2nd fret on the D string, and then just underneath there on the G string, we've got our 3rd finger. There's an A minor. Get in there. So D minor, 2 more to go. So D minor, 1st fret of the E string, then we're going to be 2nd fret of the G string, and then 3rd fret of the B string. You get 5 strings out of that. A nice D minor chord. And just to finish off, we've got a B flat. Now B flat, leave your first finger where it is, and then we're going to do all in the 3rd fret. We're going to be on the D string, G string, and the B string. Okay, I'll hold it up to the camera. That is a B flat. Now we only play 4 strings, so the D string downwards. There's your B flat. Right, now if you wanted to, as you did with the B minor, you can do a bar chord on that to get the full advantage of all 6 strings. Okay, so those are your chords. Now moving on to the strum pattern, we've got down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and so that's going to be like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2. So the ands are the upstrokes. So 1. So we've got 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So have a little go at that. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So those are your strum pattern. There's a couple of variations that happen in here, but we'll approach them as we get to them. Right, so verses. So first off, all the verses go like this. So we've got what's known as a split bar to start with. It goes from G to E minor. So that down, down, up, down, up, down, up is going to be spread over 2 chords. So it's going to go like this, from G to E minor, right? It's going to go down, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, so it splits between the strum pattern, splits evenly over the 2 chords. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we move on to a B minor. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then 2 lots of that over the D chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. We'll go over that again. It does it again anyway. So we've got that whole chord phrase happens twice. So we'll do that together. So we've got G, E minor, B minor, D, and again. 2nd time, G to the minor, B minor to D. Then we're going to move to C, G, C, G. So we've got a full down, down, up, down, up, down, up for each chord. So we've got C, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, reindeer G. Then C, and then to G. So we've got C, G, C, G. And then the final line of the verse is A minor, then C, 2 lots of D. So here it, and then we lead into the chorus. Okay, so that was how you play the verse. We'll go through one more time and then I'll show you how to play the chorus. So first off, this happens twice. So G, E minor, B minor, 2 lots of D. Happens twice. Here we go. So G, E minor, B minor, then to D, D again, G, E minor, B minor, D, and then C to G, and then C to G, A minor now, A minor, then to C, and then to D twice. 2, 2, 3, 4. Chorus time, everybody, chorus time. Chorus is quite simple. Chords we've done before, except we're now going to introduce the B flat. Okay, so what we've got now, we've got so hear it. We've got G, G, B minor. Then sliding down, so we're going to bring that down to the 1st fret. So we've got for our B minor, as you can see, we've got a B minor. We're going to bring that back, slide our 1st finger back, rearrange our fingers to be in a B flat, like I've shown you earlier on in this video, the B flat, okay? So we've got, just go through that again. So G, so hear it, G, B minor, then to B flat and finishing on D. So do it again, G, then B minor, then, right, we're going to go to B flat, but the strum pattern's going to change. It's going to go to half time. It's going to go, it's only just begun. Double time. Well, not double time. It's just going to be on the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go through that again. So we've got G. So normal strum pattern for the first part of the chorus. Down, down. G. So here it is. Then B minor. Then to B flat. Then to D. G. Then B minor. Then B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, D, 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 D. Now, for that bit, if you wanted to, you can do what's known as triplets. It's a bit tricky for the beginners to the guitar, but I'll show you anyway. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? For that, so it's only just begun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's down, up, down, down, up, down. It's just down, up, downs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Up to you. If you want to add that little bit in. A bit of practice, I'm sure you'll get it. Right, final thing. Well, after that, it would go to the verse again. But now what I'm going to show you how to play is the bridge. Now, this is just, it's not strummed. It's just short downstrokes. So we're going to go from D minor. There we are, D minor. So we're going to go D minor, then to B flat, and back to D minor, and then to B flat, and then to C to D. This is the bit that goes, oh, what would your daddy do if he sees you? That bit, mama kissing Santa Claus. C to D, and then back to, it will go back to the verse in the song. Okay, so let's take you through that. So we've got D minor, B flat, D minor, B flat, C, D. You're probably wondering, why is he doing that thing where he's pulsing his fingers, you know, pressing? So the reason I'm doing that, pressing, it makes the notes nice and short. Because when you release pressure off the strings, that will kill the note. Listen, see, it killed it. Obviously that only works on the strings that you're actually physically touching, but it all helps. So get a little technique there for you. It's called left hand muting. So we'll go through that again. D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat, D minor, then B flat, and then to C, and up to D. Right, play through. I'm going to do the verse, the chorus, and the bridge, and hopefully you'll play along with me. So here we go. You G minor, sorry, that started badly. G, E minor, B minor, and then to D. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. G, E minor, B minor, D, and then C, up to G, and then C, and then to G, and then A minor up to C, and down to D. So here it G, then B minor, then B flat, and down to D. G, then B minor, then to B flat, B flat, B flat, D. Bridge, D minor, then to B flat, then D minor, then to B flat, and C, and D. So there we have it, Merry Christmas Everybody by Slade. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any other song suggestions that you may have for songs you would like me to teach how to play in a future video. It's been great having you along. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you again in another video. Take care, guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.